Hey guys, we're here in the shed today, and sitting in front of us is Jadeens Skidoo once again. And today's plan is to paint the top of his tunnel with spray on bed liner and slap a Cheetah Factory Racing bar setup on the sled. So the bolts on the top clamps and on the bottom clamps are a 1/2 inch. So we're gonna haul those off. But first thing you're gonna want to do is take off your grips and everything on your handlebars, and then go ahead and take off the risers and the bars. So we got the bars and the risers all taken off the sled, and this is the hand warmer kit that he bought. He's currently getting his tunnel all sanded down and ready to be painted on top. So this here is the full bar setup that he has. It's the Boondocker 2.0 Cheetah Factory Racing bars, the red Cheetah Factory Racing signature grips, 3-inch risers from Cheetah Factory Racing, and the mini bar pad. He did have his old bars bent a lot too, from rolling the sled on some hard surface snow. Managed to bend his bars, and he's going from a bar that pretty much didn't have any rise to it with an 8-inch bar riser down to a 3-inch bar riser with 2-inch rise on his bars. So we got the grips and everything all installed on the sled. The next thing to do is wire up our hand warmers. And on these bombardier sleds, the wires for your high, low, and ground. The orange wire with the purple onto it is your low, and then your all orange is your high, and then the black is your ground. And for these here hand warmers that we're using is SPI hand warmers. The white is high, black is low, and red is your ground. So let's get these wired up and finish off this setup. Got the sled pulled outside, and man, does this bar setup ever look sick. Can't wait to get her in some fresh pow, because the bar setup, A-arms, wrap, and rear bumper that we made should look sick. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.